In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sunsama with a dashboard, specifically with Toggle Track, to streamline your workflow and optimize your time management. Let's dive into this simple and clear process that will have you up and running in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings in your Sunsama account. This is where you can manage how Sunsama interacts with other tools and platforms. Once you're in the settings, look for the Integrations section. This is your gateway to connecting Sunsama with Toggle Track. Toggle Track is a fantastic tool that allows you to track time spent on various activities, and integrating it with Sunsama can greatly enhance how you manage and organize your tasks. Once you've found Toggle Track under the Integrations tab, you'll need to connect your Toggle account. This is done by using your Toggle API token. If you're not familiar with API tokens, they are essentially unique identifiers that allow different software applications to communicate securely. You can usually find your Toggle API token in your account settings on Toggle's platform. Make sure to keep this token secure and private to ensure the safety of your data. After successfully connecting your account, Sunsama will do something pretty nifty. It will automatically send the actual time you spend on tasks, tracked via the Sunsama timer, or even those you enter manually, directly to Toggle. This automatic data exchange means you don't have to worry about entering information twice or transferring it manually. Every task you manage in Sunsama will reflect accurately in Toggle, giving you a clear and concise view of how you allocate your time. Now, for those of you who like to keep things organized, you have the option to configure this integration to map Sunsama channels to specific Toggle projects, clients, or tags. This means you can categorize the data as it's sent to Toggle. By doing this, not only will your Toggle dashboard be synchronized with your Sunsama tasks, but it will also be organized in a way that makes sense for your unique workflow. Once everything is set up, it's time to utilize Toggle's powerful reporting tools. Log in to Toggle Track and explore the various reports and dashboards available to you. Toggle's dashboards offer visualizations of your time allocation, making it easier to analyze your productivity patterns or identify areas where you might need adjustments. This integration ultimately gives you a richer, more detailed view of your daily activities reflected in easy-to-understand reports. By the end of this setup, you'll have a seamless connection between Sunsama and Toggle Track, providing a comprehensive overview of your time management. Maximize your efficiency and productivity by leveraging these tools to their fullest potential. Stay tuned for more tips and solutions for optimizing your workflow.